Hello friends, welcome to my channel and welcome to my another video. Today I am back in another Bitcoin caption chart. So let's start. First of all, I open the caption chart, then I check the all caption chart. First I open on day chart. You can see in on day chart the graph going to down. If I go to the on week chart, you can see the graph is going to up. If I go to the 1 month chart, this graph is going to down. If I go to the 1 hour chart, you can see the graph going to down, and if I go to the 2 hour chart, you can see the graph is going to up, and also I go to the 3 hour chart, the graph also going to up, and I also go to the 4 hour chart, this graph going to down. If I go to the 1 minute chart, you can see the live on the graph is going to up. If I go to the 15-minute chart, this graph going to down. I think it will be up. If I go to the 45-minute chart, this graph going to down. So it's difficult for the graph going to. If I go to the on day chart, you can see the graph going to down, but I think the graph going to this position within 29 March or 28 March. So I think everybody understand the graph prediction. If you know the good prediction, so comment below and say everything. I think everybody appreciate with it. Now I discuss about the Bitcoin price. Today's Bitcoin price is 42,254.90 USD. Today's Bitcoin price is on BTC is equal to 42,254.90 USD. I hope everybody liked the video. If you like the video, please subscribe my channel and share it with your friends. Thank you.